Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to change device theme on this device. So first you can go here to the themes application, or you can find them also here into the settings and just click here to the home screen and wallpapers, and here you'll see also the themes section. That will be the same application as can you see. And here we got this theme, and we can change this theme, for example, to the Europa. And now we just should click to apply this theme here, and as can you see, we just changed the home screen and the lock screen wallpaper here. So by this way we can change our device theme. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.